Good morning, Musky. Chunks, come here. Come here, come here. Say
Welcome. Good morning. Welcome back to another vlog.
My chunks.
Monks.
I'll say it myself. Welcome to Molly's vlog. So, आज के vlog की शुरुआत ही ऐसी होनी है कि हम लोग को वीडियो शूट करना है और फोटोज लेनी है, जो कि obviously if I'm ready I'm getting extra pictures. Let's do it. Oh, this is my OOTD. हाँ, I want to stand and you need to click pictures with this. Sun is directly in my eyes. नीचे से लोगे तो अच्छा, चलो ठीक है, फाइन. Done with the photo shoot. अभी बहुत फोटो शूट बाकी है. अरे दरवाज़ा कौन बंद करेगा? पापा आके करेगा क्या? बंदर आएगा घर के अंदर तब समझ में आएगा. Let me just close the door or else we'll have monkeys in the house. Look how beautiful do I look. I am matching with the wall. Need to go shopping with Mrigya, right? Because if I don't, she's gonna get very pissed. चले? जितना मेरा दिन छोटा है उतना अच्छा लगता है हमको. You want to go to Globus or not? Say yes or no. Mummy, change of plan, guys. We are going for a little shopping. Mrigya is stepping out to shop after how long? Very long. 9 to 10 months, I guess. 10 months? 10 months like this. Can you wear some clothes?
I am wearing more clothes than you.
I am wearing jacket. You are not wearing jacket. Wear jacket, Tinu. You will feel very cold. I am telling you. Come, I have to take a bath then. Come. This girl, I tell you. Mummy, we are going. Bye. Thank you. Kapda? I have, yeah, my shoes are here if you want. अगर बड़े ना हो तो मैं साइज में तो मेरे शूज़ हैं. लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल टुडे. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. हाँ जी, उसमें पापा की मारुति 800 के आखिरी निशानियां भर के रख लो. अरे forgot mask. Actually, I don't have masks now. My masks are all धुलने में गया. मम्मी, do you have mask?
मास्क बेटा ऊपर रखा है.
We need mask in our lives. Wow, you have nice mask. I don't have nice mask.
टंगा हुआ है बाथरूम में.
हाँ है तो दो भाई. Come on, let's go. Move.
1 hour later.
Stop checking yourself out. Are we like moving? I don't think we are moving since the past half an hour. आधे घंटे से हम लोग एक ही जगह हैं. ड्राइवर अंकल आ जाइए. फर्स्ट मी. So I have been to shopping. Like, when did I go shopping? Like last. No. Day before yesterday. You are going out after 10 months. Congratulations.
नहीं जा रहा. मैक्स में सेल है इसलिए जा रहा.
मैक्स में कोई सेल नहीं है. जस्ट रियलिटी चेक. ग्लोबल जाना है कि मैक्स जाना है? यू आर
पहले
कंफ्यूज्ड.
ग्लोबस चलते हैं.
This girl is coughing. They'll throw her out.
I can't breathe in this.
Always fighting. Move. Just come to global. Because this girl needs sweater in her life. I am going to fall. Where is Mrigyara? He's there. I'm trying to find a trinket for my bag. Tino, I need help. Find me a trinket for this bag. Find me a trinket. This would go? What is this, a mirror or what? There's a mirror. I found makeup bags for my videos. What do you want in life, Tino?
देख रहा है कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है. Why are you vlogging just me?
Because you're looking prettier than me today.
What one more subscribers? Congrats. Oh my god.
I get subscribers everywhere, you know. So sweet of him. Chunks अभी आई होती तो पागल हो गए. And Tino, we are not here for kids section.
आलसी के लिए ले लेता है ना कुछ.
आलसी के लिए यार खरीदने आई थी अपने लिए कपड़े. अब वो अर्जुन और मुस्की के लिए खरीद रही हैं. नहीं, I don't like the color.
Athletic University.
I don't like the color. And this is बड़ा बच्चों का. This is not for Alzi.
आलसी को इतना athletic कर देंगे तो बड़ा कुछ खेलना ही नहीं चाहेगा.
I like this jacket, this yellow and blue. Is this full open?
हाँ नीचे तक जाता है.
I love this jacket. I like this.
ले लो.
अभी उधर भी देख लेते हैं एक बारी. This is the same one, right?
नहीं. This is very first time taking this.
Take it. Whatever you want. My gift. Take it. My channel got monetized, so I'm just gifting things.
The largest is L. It is fine.
Fine, L is fine. We both the sisters have problem of buying clothes from men's section. Somebody control us. Somebody deal with us. I'm gonna see if I can find. She bought her own jacket. She forgot to take mine, and then she says we'll twin. What the hell? She's not a nice person. I don't like her. Where is my jacket? I like this one. I like this. I am tired of shopping. I can't do this anymore. They were nice enough to give me this case. I bought this. मैंने अभी खरीदा, इन्होंने लगा के दे दिया. So nice. Still not tired of buying men clothes. You know, people are just gonna assume that you have somebody you're buying clothes for.
अरे यहाँ भी टी-शर्ट है.
So distracted you are. I'm just recording this girl to show you how confused she is in life. My shopping is done. It's all you now. This is so beautiful.
Because I'm taking.
I need to take you with me now. Come, come. You're not gonna come like this. I'll have to drag you. Come. You can't take anything more. Not stopping. What do I do this with her? Why are you not stopping?
Come on, let's go.
I have to. No, no, no. We are not taking anything more. Come, let's go. What is wrong with you? Why are you not coming home?
चलो अब तो हो गया.
A few minutes later.
No, you can't take anything more. Come, let's go. Enough, enough. Come, let's go.
वो कह रहा था उसको चाहिए.
हाँ तो पापा को जब चाहिए तो पापा को दिलाएंगे. तुम्हारा हो गया इसको. I have to do this to take this girl home.
Come on, let's decide.
You need to stop, huh? You come here and you go crazy. You can't do this. Your wish. Do it fast. Looks nice. My gift to you. My gift to you. Come on. Don't drink water. Tinu, please come on. Let's go.
So pretty.
अच्छा लग रहा है? नहीं मिलेगा. चलो बहुत हो गया तुम्हारा. चलो लेट्स गो. हैव टू होल्ड हर हैंड एंड टेक हर. मम्मी किस्मत में 2 कुर्ती थी.
Yes.
हाउ मच डू हैव टू पे मोर?
रेड वाला इज वेरी प्रिटी कुर्ता, हमको दिख गया.
मम्मी इज गोइंग टू बी हैप्पी. Happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
I got you 3 clothes.
2.
3.
अच्छा 1 t-shirt.
Also 1 ring.
Yeah. Very good.
100 rupees, 10 rupees उस बिल में से आपका.
ठीक है, thank you. We are done. Let's go home. I have to edit my videos. Thank you. Let's go. Why am I sitting on the car? Because the driver is not here. खुला है? अजय भैया, शटर खुलवा दीजिए प्लीज. शूज आउट. Let me take the bags. You come. You come back. तुम तैयार हो गई? तुम्हारे लिए कुछ लाए हैं. मुफ्त में मिल रहा था इसलिए लाए, वरना नहीं लाते. This is for you. Woolen. This is a woolen shrug. This is a woolen kurti. तीनों ने चूज किया है, but this is from me. मेरी पहली कमाई से.
अरे वाह, थैंक यू बेटा. Lovely, I'll wear it.
From my first earning.
This I'll wear today.
ये तो मेरा सामान है और इसमें टीनू का भी है.
क्या ली?
टिंसी ने 3, एक जैकेट लिया है, एक टी शर्ट लिया है, एक शर्ट लिया है. अर्जुन, टीनू को बुला दो. टीनू आ अच्छा अर्जुन, अर्जुन आ टुन्नू. टीनू का नया नाम है टुन्नू. अर्जुन, अर्जुन. एम्मा, 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 एम्मा कहाँ है? एम्मा, ये एम्मा हमें. एम्मा को पुच्ची दे दो. एम्मा को पुच्ची. टीनू राय, आपको टूना बन के कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा.
अर्जुन ने आपका नामकरण तेते से टूना कर दिया है.
जो बुलाना है बुला, जो बुला.
अब वो टूना आप है. आपका नाम आज से टूना है. टूना.
मेरा बच्चा है, कुछ भी बुला सकता है हमको.
अच्छा फोन रख दिया. पीछे से कह रहा है एम्मा. हम नहीं बात करेंगे इससे. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I'll see you guys tomorrow with another vlog. Till then, अगर अच्छा लगा तो press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो share it with your friends, family and everybody you know. See you guys next time with another vlog. Till then, signing off.